I could get used to this.
Go, drive. Hello and welcome back to the latest video on the Three Blind Mice Media channel, where today we're pretty excited.
We are.
Why are we excited?
We're very, very excited because this is the first of hopefully a few videos over the coming however long with the StarterMotor Charity. Now they're based here at Bicester Heritage and they aim to get younger generations into vintage cars, older cars, pre-war cars, retro cars.
Cars that otherwise they wouldn't drive.
Yeah, cars that they otherwise wouldn't be able to get in. Sorry if I made you feel old by saying this was retro.
Yeah.
This is a 2001 Audi TT, and this is actually the most modern car in their fleet. They have a massive fleet of cars that span over 125 years, and they just aim to inspire the next generation of
people like us, you know, and that's what they've done today. They're letting us drive their car.
Yes, we have this car, and we have the track. Let's not bore you any further, let's get on with it, hey.
Let's have some fun. Being as we both want to drive, we will apply the blind mice coin of choice. Do you want to be Lizzie or do you want to be the bouquet of flowers?
I'll be Lizzie.
Okay.
This is obviously who's going to drive
Who's
first.
going to drive first? That was actually quite good.
It was good.
No,
You drive first.
You drive
Yes.
first.
Now, yes, but it's a convertible car, and I have this hair. So I shall
What are we going to do about that?
I shall be applying. If that was the Three Blind Mice coin of choice, this is the Three Blind Mice coat of defence.
Hat of defence.
We are ready.
Yeah.
Right.
The key.
I don't know what. How's this happening? What?
The good people of StarterMotor Charity have indeed. Right. Thrill me.
Oh my god, the clutch is really light.
Yeah, really early biting point.
Yeah, has it got power steering?
We're on a track!
We are on a... Yeah, sorry a minute. Let's stop talking about the clutch. We're on a track.
With proper things. Oh.
That's so...
1.8 litre with 225. So David was telling us that
so
you hit this one.
A little nerdy fact about this generation of Audi TT. This is the first generation of Audi TT. This particular car has twin exhausts at the back.
Yeah.
Now, the little trick with that, the nerdy piece of information that I shall give to you, bestow upon you, is if it's got one exhaust, it's got 180 horsepower. If it's got two exhausts, it's got 225 horsepower. So this car has 225 horsepower, 1.8 litre inline 4-cylinder engine.
Yeah. So by that logic, the more exhausts we add on, we get 30 horsepower.
Turbos.
Oh. Taking the racing line. Don't hit our camera.
We're on a track. Got to take the racing line. Right, I'm going to try a bit of a speedier one.
Yeah, alright, go.
Oh, that's addictive! The turbos! Oh my god, you can actually hear the turbo spool up. It's as if... Oh my god.
We did both think before we got here it might be an expensive day.
Yes, I'm going to try a bit more of a spirited one.
Go on, son. Go on, son. No squealing tyres. We've been informed that if we squeal the tyres, we will be beheaded immediately. Oh. Genuinely, this is what our entire 22 years and 23 years of life has been working towards. We've sat in a car on a track together. Oh. Concentrating face.
Yes. Right.
It's not very good, this.
Quick driver change.
So I'm just going to concentrate now.
Yeah, I know. You will get. Oh, it's addictive, mate. Honestly, put your foot down. Listen to the turbos. Oh.
Oh, it feels so good.
You love it, don't you? Like you absolutely like it.
Yeah.
And like, you know, track day, go-karting, any opportunity to actually drive on a circuit
is go for
do it. I know you've literally been here with us for the first time we've ever done it, but just do it.
This is the coolest thing ever.
Do it.
You can drive within reason as fast as you want and no one can tell you off. And you know, this is just genuinely the start of what we're going to do with these guys. They've got some amazing cars on loan, they've got some amazing events.
Yeah.
They do some amazing stuff with sort of like careers days, so for people who are like, well, younger than us, 14, 13, who don't know what they want to do, if they want to get involved within like the heritage space,
yeah,
like engineering or anything to do with that, they offer days at Bicester Heritage, and they've got one this year that we we'll be going to.
Yeah.
And then you can just get people like us babies. It's really good to drive.
So on track on my own in a 2001 Audi TT. You know, as a car guy, you sort of have pivotal moments in your life, and one of those is driving around a track in a car for the first time. And I'm now 22, and this is what this is it. This is that moment, really. I know I keep banging on about it, but you can really hear the turbos when you accelerate, and that is addictive. Right. That's the end of my track time in the TT. I'm going to hand over to Ben for one more lap. One more lap, Ben. You got one more lap. Go. Go. We've got a minute. Go. Driver change. Get in. Strap the belts up. Go.
Oh.
I'll see you back in the pit.
I'll see you back in the pits. One lap hot ride. Let's go. Oh, it's so good. I want one of these. Mark my words. Audi TT to the 3 Blind Mice Media channel. Thank you, car. Thank you very much. We are done now. That was so much fun. Thank you, StarterMotor. So good. Don't want to get that.
Neither do I. I want it. I want it so bad. We've just pulled over because obviously it's a convertible car, and usually this particular car has a hard top. It does also have a soft top, and Ben is going to try and put it up. So Ben, walk us through how you put the roof up on this car.
So you open the door and press that button, and then in similar fashion you return to the other door, press the button successfully, and then I'm going to need your help as well. Can you lift that other side?
Right, so now we take...
So slowly lift it up, peel it back, and then there's a little band there in which we remove the piece. Now,
leave it conveniently obviously at the side of the road like you've just done.
As this was optioned on this specific car, we have an electric button. Is it doing anything? Oh, it is!
That wasn't nice.
This is really good. And then you bring this down.
Hang on.
Yeah, get in. And do this bit with me. Oh no, so yes, you put it all the way down.
Put it all the way down. And then you drive.
And you have a roof.
And you drive away in the hope that it doesn't fly off. That's good, isn't it? It's a blue roof, look at that. So there you go, that's how you put the roof up on this particular car.
I'm sure taking it down is much worse.
We'll give it back for now. And
begrudgingly.
we will summarise
our thoughts
on what has been probably one of the best days of my life.
That was really, really cool.
That was unbelievable. Again, massive thank you to the StarterMotor Charity.
Yeah, absolutely.
Do check them out. We'll link them, obviously link them. And again, they are just inspiring the next generation, which hopefully we can be a part of.
Are we not inspired?
I am so inspired. Yeah.
It's what they're doing for people like our age, because they literally, as I said, we filmed it, but they gave us that opportunity today to drive the car. The fact that most of the things that we see with four wheels, especially around this place, and vintage stuff, is sort of inaccessible to us. RE insurance, cost, whatever it is. It's really nice. Obviously that was a 2001 car, but they've got a pre-war car. You know, we will drive, hopefully, a pre-war car.
Pre-war cars. Definitely a few more videos to come with StarterMotor, which we are so
very
excited about. I can't stop smiling.
He had to walk to get a coffee. I drove back to the car park and he had to go get a coffee to cool off.
I had to walk that off.
Anyway,
yes.
Big thank you. Thank you for watching.
Yes, thank you for watching. Massive thanks to StarterMotor. We will be with them again at some point.
Yep.
Like we said. And
see you in the next video.
Yeah, goodbye.